Raspberry sorbet or granita. Ingredients: 4 containers, that is 6 ounce, fresh red raspberries. Half cup honey. 4 cups water, divided. 3/4 cup white sugar. Half cup light corn syrup. Preparation: place raspberries in work bowl of a food processor, and process until smooth. If an extra smooth sorbet is desired, press pureed raspberries through a fine sieve to remove seeds. Whisk together pureed raspberries and honey in a large bowl. Combine 3 cups of water, sugar, and corn syrup in a large saucepan, stir to combine. Bring to a boil over high heat. Boil until sugar is dissolved, about 2 minutes, do not stir. Stir the sugar water and the remaining 1 cup of water into the raspberry puree. Make an ice bath by filling a very large bowl with water and ice. Set the bowl of raspberry puree in the ice bath, and whisk until cool. Pour cooled puree into a 9 by 13 baking dish, and cover. Freeze until solid, 6 to 8 hours. To make a coarsely textured granita, use a fork to scrape frozen puree into small crumbs. For a deliciously silky sorbet, transfer frozen puree to a food processor and process until smooth.